What's up, guys? Yo here with Apex Wheels, and today I wanted to tell you about the phenomenal replacement program that Apex provides on all of its wheels. Let's face it, you can't learn to drive at the limit without occasionally surpassing it. Whether you're a novice enthusiast learning to track or a veteran racer pushing for that podium finish, mistakes happen and parts get damaged. At Apex, we don't feel we would be a true performance company if we sold wheels in a way that penalized your search for the limit. So we created a program to make replacing a damaged wheel with a brand new one more appealing than ignoring the problem, or worse, performing questionable or compromising repairs. The program is simple. Every wheel you buy from Apex or an authorized Apex dealer can be replaced at 50% off MSRP for any kind of damage. Whether the wheel is destroyed in a crash, bent by a pothole, or gets scraped on a curb, it's covered. Not just for 30 days or a few months, but for 2 full years from the date of purchase. This is an awesome program for both hardcore racers and street-only drivers. Using the program couldn't be easier. Simply purchase a replacement wheel at full price, send the damaged wheel back to us, and we'll send you a 50% refund. The full terms and conditions are on the website, but really, that's all there is to it. Now, even though total destruction from a crash is covered, more important benefit of this program is encouraging you to cycle out damaged wheels from your set. Damaged wheels should be replaced and not repaired. A lot of drivers know they should do this, yet they're reluctant to spend the money for a new wheel. But at 50% off, you can get a new Apex wheel that fixes curb rash or pothole damage perfectly. No need to resort to a wheel repair shop that attempts to roll out bends or match the paint. Aluminum loses strength when you bend it, so those repairs are never good as new or as safe. When you've invested in a nice set of wheels, it's heartbreaking when something happens to them. You can rest easy knowing that Apex is here to make the ownership of a set a lot easier, so you can focus on going faster.